I'm at a loss for words, and my heart it hurts. I'm at a loss for words, and my heart it hurts. Things going on in this world so absurd. Mr. President, tell me what's the word? Selling ammunition to the mentally ill, just to make a penny while innocent get killed. Turn on the news and I heard the sounds from the 32nd floor, which has raining down. All those lives lost, what a pity. Just trying to have a good time down in Sin City. This ain't the first occasion, but I hope it's the last. Kindergarteners can feel it going to class. Wanna walk down the street and I look behind my back as a man rips through a venue fully packed and black. This one for Columbine, this one for Paris, and one for all the lives lost in Las Vegas. This one for Cali, for Miami, this one for London. No, I'm not. One for Iraq, Yemen, and Saudi, and for Syria and those murdered babies. Mama Africa, and for Hiroshima, Pearl Harbor, and the World Trade Center. For Chicago and Jerusalem, come on people, put down the guns. This one for everyone who has lost someone who cannot be brought back with words. I'm at a loss for words, and my heart it hurts. I'm at a loss for words, and my heart it hurts. Lives of the land from sea to sea, we all share the same blood, and there's no need to bleed at the hand of another man. But I understand if it's self-defense, but there would be no reason to defend if we could all live as one and join hands. I'm at a loss for words.